It's so hard to breathe without you. You know that my love for you is strong. It's so hard to breathe. I need you. You're always in my heart and in my soul. It's so hard to breathe. Complete silence, the mind takes flight. The world's cold, I'm in despair. A bomb breaks borders and my heart cares. Time, space, loneliness, haste. Shadows of the sadlands when I can't see your face. Vision burn holes like a magnifying glass, while the heart jams up like an overpass. It's so hard to breathe. Out of sight, only God knows how long. What am I doing? Where's my mind? I gotta step up before I lose the fight with time. Roll with it, deal with it, anything it takes. Distance on my mind, gotta step on the brakes. Your picture and your voice, they keep me hanging on, but it's everything else that makes this song. There's a little light, giving me hope until another night. I press on, though I can't see where my road is headed or what's before me. Mind's turning, yearning, thinking way too much. Best to put it in bar, cause it's a crutch. Your picture, your voice, they keep me hanging on, but it's everything else that's making this